A focus by news media on negatives and their obsession with the biggest cities means that there's a life in property markets across Australia which goes largely unreported. The standout feature in our new winter 2020 edition of the Price Predictor Index is the number of market jurisdictions that continue to thrive despite COVID-19 and in some cases because of COVID-19. Some of the smaller capital cities and many of our regional markets continue to pump strongly. Adelaide and Perth have both handled the pandemic better than most parts of Australia, and it's not a coincidence that their property markets are delivering pockets of growth right now. Adelaide continues to thrive, but largely unnoticed in terms of national media coverage. But perhaps the biggest story is the strength in regional markets. Many parts of regional Queensland have strong growth markets, while the regional areas of Victoria, Tasmania and South Australia are all delivering price growth in defiance of the pandemic. Regional South Australia will never feature in major national media, but its property markets continue to produce double-digit annual growth in their house prices. Now, an additional boost to regional markets is the exodus to lifestyle, which means people leaving the big cities and moving to locations within 1 to 2 hours of those major cities. Now, this has been underway for some time, but the pandemic lockdown has enhanced the trend. Improved technology and transport links mean more people can work from home and go to the inner city only occasionally, if at all. And this has created strong property markets in outer ring suburbs and in regional markets, notably in Victoria, but also in New South Wales and in Queensland. This winter 2020 survey of key market indicators has confirmed the downturn in Melbourne sales activity in the wake of COVID-19. And there's only one local government area across metropolitan Melbourne that's managed more than 3 suburbs with rising sales momentum. And that's the Mornington Peninsula local government area, which has 7 rising suburbs. But the Peninsula ticks all the boxes for this exodus to lifestyle trend: a cherished lifestyle, good transport links to the capital city, affordable real estate, and plenty of local employment nodes. Meanwhile, Sydney and regional New South Wales are the markets which have taken the biggest hit from the pandemic in terms of sales activity. So all of this and a whole lot more is featured in the new winter 2020 edition of the Price Predictor Index. Get yourself a copy and read it to become a whole lot better informed about what's going on really in property markets across Australia.